test bench for comparator, 4-bit comparator. So first you have to write normal verilog code for 4-bit, then this is the test bench code. So this is module comparator underscore tests. So we know that comparator has two inputs which are of 4 bits. So reg A and B are 4 bit, and we know outputs equal to less than and greater than. Okay, we should declare outputs as wire. This is the comparator module initialization. Then we are starting the values for A and B. So initial begin, I'm giving A and B 4 bits, where B equal that is A equal to 1100, which is of binary, 110 which are 4 bits binary. After 10, so I'm giving some delay. Afterwards 10, after 10 nanoseconds, I'm making A B, that is A equal to 0 1 1 and B 1, that means B is less than, so B is greater than 1, so you should get less than 1, that means A is less than B. Similarly here A is greater than B, then these both are equal. Okay, so 4 combination, 1 2 3, then just say stop, dollar stop. Okay, and end module. Okay, so this you can give random also. A equal to dollar random numbers, B random, you will see, depending on the one, depending on the values of A and B, it will be there. So this is the test bench for 4-bit comparator. So whatever you have initialized in your main verilog code, same thing you write here variables and change accordingly. Suppose it is 8-bit, just make this 8-bit, that is 8, that is 7 is to 0, then this you give 7 bits. Okay, for any bits comparator you change accordingly. That's all in this video. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, comment. Thank you for watching.